Okay, y'all, it is time for another two-strand twist on short hair. So this is his hair, and we're gonna first start off by just sectioning his hair off into three sections. After you have those, you want to start with the back section and just part off a small portion, and then place the other hair out of your way. I am just using one product today, and that is Shine and Jam, and it do what it needs to do. So you just want to place that at the parting, and you just want to kind of rub it in, and then just go in and make sure that that part is sharp and crisp. Yes. And the remaining of the product, like I said, just rub that into his hair. And then now I'm just working on the first two strand twists. And I'm just starting off grabbing two strands of hair and twisting those together. And then I'm just going to work my way downward like you see me here doing. And I'm just going to continue to repeat the process until it is all completed. This style took me about an hour and a half to complete. So if you was wondering how long does it take, that's how long it took for me to complete it. I did cut the side of his hair first. A lot of people usually do the two strand twist first and then cut the hair, but this time we decided to cut his hair first. So if you was wondering about that, then you got your answer. So yeah, we also dyed his hair back black because he did have some lighter color highlights in his hair, but we decided to go with that jet black look because it makes your hair appear more healthier, more shiny, and it looks really good. So yeah, we did dye it jet black. So if you was wondering where did the color go, that's what happened. Okay. And I'm trying to address some more questions I've been asked. How long does your hair have to be to get two strand twist? Well, it's all up to you. So if you don't mind rocking short two strand twist, then any length will be good, maybe about 2.5 to 3 inches. If you do not mind, hear what I said, mind rocking two strand twist at that length. But yeah, so I am just finishing up the process right here, making sure that it is looking good. That is the first row completed. And yeah, so enjoy this video and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I think the next style that we're gonna do is probably some box braids. So if you're interested in seeing some box braids, then comment below that you would like to see that, and we'll get that video out as well. I have a lot of other videos about box braids and two strand twists as well. Anyway, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you like this video, and I hope you share this video out. So if y'all have any questions, leave it in the comments, and y'all have a great, wonderful, blessed, productive day.